Hey, what's up, guys? Recently, I bought one zipper for my 2-year-old son. So I just wanted to share my experience, my feedback about that zipper. So the brand is that what I got is a Philips Avent. It's a BPA free material. I got it from Amazon. So you get a lot of combinations here. I got this one, so it costed me somewhere around 370 rupees. So you do have other options as well. My basic purpose of buying this bottle was just to keep track of the how much water my son drinks. It was difficult to track, and he was actually reluctant to drink water using glass or spoon. So I found this bottle very useful. So uh, there are some of the features that I would like to highlight here. If you see this low straw is little bit bent, so that basically helps uh, to drink the water till the last sip. It's anti-leak, and another thing is it's easy to assemble and clean, and the material is BPA free. Let me tell you, I am using this bottle for more than 3 to 4 months. The quality of this bottle is really nice. The first day when I got it, my kid has thrown this bottle from the second floor, but there wasn't any big dent or scratch on this bottle. It was intact and working fine. Even after using, sometimes he keeps throwing this bottle, play with this bottle, but still it's going on. There is not even a single leak. And after using this bottle, I found it very useful. Now we don't have to worry about his water intake. We can simply measure how much water he is drinking in the entire day, and at the same time you just simply fill this water and give it to him or put around him, and he himself, when he is thirsty, right, so he goes and drinks the water. You don't have to force it. He likes it. Okay, initially it was difficult to make him drink water, but using this bottle he himself is enjoying and drinking water. So that helped a lot. So I thought this uh, bottle could be useful for you as well. So that is the reason I am sharing my experience. So I have given the link in the description section below, so you can go ahead, buy it. Let me know your thoughts on this bottle in the comment section below. So let's go ahead, let's open the bottle. Let me show you how it is, how to clean, how to assemble that